Good morning. It's Thursday, December 14th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear once again this morning at 8:24. The satellite imagery, this is the infrared satellite. This is not rain, just cloud cover. So some fairly thick cloud cover over South Georgia from Albany, Tifton, Douglas, down into Bainbridge, and then just those thin high clouds over Statesboro over to Savannah. But those clear skies in North Georgia this morning, so temperatures are kind of all over the map. We have some 30s, we have some 40s and 50s in there, just depending on where you are. 45 in Atlanta, Savannah's at 46, 46 in Albany, but still in the 30s in Athens at 39, and Rome with those clear skies, 32 degrees, and I failed to mention some 20s up in the North Georgia mountains, so another cold start up there. So let's take a look at a very important map here. This is our max wind gust over a 6-hour period for Sunday. So this covers Sunday afternoon, and you can see some very windy conditions in southeast Georgia with those gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour. Now, again, it's going to be windy today. It's going to be windy on Saturday, and then Sunday we're going to experience some really strong winds, and I'll talk about that, why all this is happening, and you'll see it on the modeling coming up. First of all, everything is just peace and quiet for this morning, other than that wind in South Georgia, and the wind picking up a little bit in the mid-state as well later on this morning. We head into this afternoon, also pretty quiet. We keep most of the rain away, a few showers trying to move in from the coastline, and you can see those showers kind of pulling in across Florida, and that's heading toward a low-pressure center, which is going to be pretty frightening to look at here on the map coming up, especially for the middle of December, but it's coming, so hang on. We move through the overnight hours tonight, still windy over middle and South Georgia, and then tomorrow starting out with a little more cloud cover in South Georgia, maybe a shower or two along the coastline. We move into tomorrow evening, and still some showers possible along the coast, but the rest of the state stays pretty clear. And then we start to see that rain moving in closer to Florida. So this is part of a storm system. Again, this is not going to be a tropical storm or a hurricane. If we were in a different time of year, that could be a different situation, but this is moving in from the Gulf, so we're going to be experiencing quite a bit of rain moving in by Saturday afternoon. Again, very breezy. And look at that low-pressure center starting to move in toward Apalachicola, Florida. So again, this could have been a named storm if we were just a couple of months prior here. That would be a completely different situation. But that's not going to change the fact that we're going to get a lot of rain. We're going to get a lot of wind as we move through the weekend. So that wind field is mainly going to be concentrated in southeast Georgia, the right front quadrant of the storm. And then in southwest Georgia, still going to be breezy, but those 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts are mainly going to be in the southeast corner of the state. So we'll be watching that. That's going to continue to push through the overnight hours Saturday night into Sunday. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center, they do not have us any, they don't go that far out. As far out as they go is 3 days, so we're just looking towards Saturday. So on Sunday, we likely will see a level 1, maybe a level 2 severe weather risk, so I'll let you know as soon as that's issued. So we'll just remain weather aware as we head into the weekend with this big storm system coming. So it looks like all of us will get rain. This is not going to be one we're going to dodge. We're pretty much guaranteed to see some rain as we move through the weekend. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.